Shalini and you are watching Pink Beauty. And today your Pink Beauty is a red beauty. And today's video is also very special because today I'm going to try the internet sensation, the viral Dalgona Coffee. And also it's the best time to have coffee because the weather is so good. I totally love the rains, and the thing that I love the most is sit by the window, let the raindrops splash across your face, have a nice book, hot cup of coffee, and jazz music in the background. Perfect setting. It's because I injured my hand. I did not fall down. I did not get hurt. It is due to a very lame reason, which I'm sure you guys will also relate to, which is the moment. Yes, you know, it's like when you keep browsing and browsing and browsing with your thumb, all the pressure comes on that, which causes this pain, and the pain was so bad that I had to do an online consultation with the doctor, and he told me that this is the cause for your pain. So yeah, this is the result. And I cannot really film a makeup video right now. And yesterday I was having and enjoying this heavenly Dalgona coffee, and I was like, why not share with you guys? So here I am, and this is my Dalgona coffee. For starters, what is Dalgona coffee? Dalgona coffee is nothing but milk topped with this frothy, creamy, glorious, glistening, fluffy cream heaped on top of it, and it is delectable. Since the past 3 months, it's been all over Instagram, TikTok, every social media platform. It's actually taken the world by storm. It took me 3 months to try it out. All of us know that it's taken internet by storm. It's been sweeping the world off its feet. So I was like, I have to try it. So here I am, and it's delectable. Alright, now I'm going to show you how I made this delectable drink. I'm going to grab a neat bowl, something that is deep enough. Add 5 tablespoons of coffee. Now add 5 tablespoons of sugar and 5 tablespoons of water. Mix it well, and now I'm going to use a handheld mixer, and I'm going to whisk it on high speed until the coffee mixture forms a stiff bake. I'm going to keep whisking it until it reaches creamy and velvety texture. And now this frothy, creamy, velvety, whipped coffee is dolloped onto your milk. Normally you can just use a spoon, scoop it out, and you can just dollop it over your milk. So I'm going to grab this icing tube and add the whipped coffee into it. Now grab a cup and add some hot or cold milk into it. It totally depends on you if you want to have cold coffee or hot coffee. And as you can see that I have filled up my icing tube with the whipped coffee, and now I'm going to top the milk with this coffee. I'm just going to swirl it around. be a painful experience. You have to keep whipping about 400 to 500 times, but the result is going to be absolutely insane. After you try it, let me know how did you like it, because my coffee is really good. It turned out